Okay, welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, airing every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 o'clock. And today we got a cocktail for you, a nice blackberry bourbon. So the first thing you want to do is extract the juice of a half a lime. Just squeeze the ever-loving shit out of it. Okay, next step, obviously we got to add the bourbon. Now, I used Maker's Mark to make this. But you can certainly use whatever bourbon you like, but I would get something that's fairly decent. So you're going to want about 2 ounces of bourbon in this. I might have gone a little heavier with 2.5. Okay, then you want to add about 2 teaspoons of sugar and a 1/4 cup of frozen blackberries. And I think you know where this is going. Obviously, blend it. Make sure you drop the goddamn lid. And just blend this up till it's blended. All right, next step. All right, next, to an ice-filled metal shaker, you want to pour your berry mix in there. Why I left the lid on, I'll never know, but there you go. Put the top on and give it a good shake. All right, then you want to pour your mix into a glass. I did forget the ice. I will remedy that in a minute. And as you can see, add an ice here. The ice is optional, but I like my cocktails a little bit colder. And there's literally only one last thing to add, and that's about 2 ounces of club soda. And that's really it. Blackberry bourbon. Done.